Introducing the world's ultimate multi-purpose detector. Target detection and determination of target diameter with T100 coil. Now we are walking towards our target. We've received the signal and walked until the end point. Now, pressing reset, and we get the initial starting point of the signal. We mark the place where we get the signal. Then end the signal. Press reset again and approach towards the same target. Now we will repeat these steps in reverse order.
Tam ters taraftan yapıyoruz.
We press reset and approach the target.
Yaklaşıyoruz.
Okay, we sense the signal. Now we will end the signal
Resete bastık.
and approach again towards the target. We now determine the signal diameter of our target. Sweep the coil above the target to end the signal while pressing and holding scan button. Our target is detected as precious.
Dilersek
And if we'd like, we may also obtain the target depth with this diameter we just determined.
alabiliyoruz.
First, we have to see the dimensions of the target's signal diameter.
Görmemiz lazım. ...70 santim.
It is 70 centimeters by 70 centimeters. We have pressed reset,
Ve şimdi
and now we are entering depth selection. Here, as we can see, there's a width and length fields. Since we know the target's signal diameter is 70 centimeters by 70 centimeters, we will have to enter this value to the width and length fields contained here. After pressing OK button, we adjust the depth to 70 centimeters by using the plus key and press OK. Then, moving on to length, then we press OK again,
basıyoruz.
and after entering 70 centimeters here, we sweep the coil above the target to end the signal while pressing and holding the scan button.
Yürüyoruz.
After the signal is ended, display shows the depth as 112 centimeters. We now may press the save button
Basarak
to save this data we've just obtained.
alabiliriz.
www.macrodetector.com